Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Our Sales Master Training section will help you to achieve greater result in your career. Let us learn some important sales tips. I have written a guide on how to create a sales process, so you'd think I'd know what the perfect process looks like. Spoiler, I don't. Why? Because the perfect process doesn't exist. Processes need to be different for different organizations. They need to grow and evolve with new information. What's important isn't the exact nature of your sales process, but rather, the fact that you have a consistent sales process. Work with your team and use the guide to get that process in place. Hope you will practice this. Let us talk about new sales tips in next video. Kindly like and subscribe our channel.